way of learning. ठीक है, in our school that we showed us some puppet, otherwise some flashcards and some other material in the front of our students. Okay, then example 4, we want to learn 5 animals name to our students. Okay, and then how to apply that? They write down on a blackboard and after that the students write in their notebook. No, that is not right way. And we are apply that. We show some flashcards and we write this is cow. Okay, and we the dummy of a this is lion and this is ass, this is monkey. So the students never forget it. They always learn it that these are animals. That is the way of our learning.
And ma'am, the second question is the new professor. What has special in our school for the smaller?
This is a very loving and caring atmosphere in our school because all the teachers are well qualified in our school and many times we give the workshop to our teachers how to maintain the class and how to apply the behavior with the students. And we plan already all things in our school like a study, like an activity, not a depend on a teacher also. We already plan every 4 years plan and we have already set by the management.
Okay, and ma'am, some parents are already telling that this school is very costly and atmosphere is nice, but we can't afford it.
Ma'am, according to this area, I think some parents understood that our school is so costly, but I think that if we go to the outsides, they are too much expensive. If they are, because we are experienced, we have not any take the franchises of other schools. We are running this school. We have for our experience, our knowledge, and our extraordinary abilities. Okay, so this is not depend any franchising. And if we attend any teachers in our school that they are well qualified, so that is the depend on the salary of a teacher and the well maintained of the school. So I think it is not very expensive. If you comparison to other school to our school.
And most of parents compare their child with other children.
Yes, that is the point. Because I request you to all parents, please don't compare your child to the other child. Because every child is blossom when they are time. Because all the child is unique. Everybody have एक एक्स्ट्रा क्वालिटी ईश्वर ने सबको दी है, बट वो अपने टाइम पर एक्सपोज होती है. अगर बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं देन समटाइम्स कि कोई बच्चा हमारे स्कूल में आया एडमिशन and he and she taking the admission in a pre-nursery and nursery class. So how to possible कि they learning everything very soon? No, because बच्चा जो है वो मम्मा की बुक से करके फर्स्ट टाइम स्कूल में आया है, तो फर्स्ट टाइम तो उसको मिंगल होने में ही टाइम लग जाता है. But I promise to you, if your child in our school 2 and 3 years continue, they definitely develop their behavior, their study, and their confidence also.
And ma'am, this school management is aware about the child progress or not, ma'am?
Yes, management also aware to everyone child's progress. And we seen in ourselves कि टीचर्स क्या करा रही है, नहीं करा रही है, या फिर हर बच्चे को क्या वर्क दिया जा रहा है. Management also definitely aware for it.
Yes, ma'am. Because the parents are very.
मैं सभी नियर बाय पेरेंट्स को यही कहना चाहूँगी कि इफ़ यू हैव अ लिटिल किड्स, लिटिल वंस, सो प्लीज़ आपको चूज करना चाहिए एक नियर बाय स्कूल अपने किड्स के लिए. बट वाई, क्यों? क्योंकि एक छोटा बच्चा होता है, देन अगर आप उसको कहीं बाहर भी फॉर स्कूल्स में कराते हैं 2 से 3 आवर्स उसके ऑन द वे जो है स्पेंड होते हैं. आई थिंक वो कहीं ना कहीं बच्चे के जो माइंड को हर्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि छोटा बच्चा है, देन फर्स्ट टाइम वो आपसे अलग हो रहा है. तो आई सजेस्टेड टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स, प्लीज अगर आप बच्चे का फर्स्टली कहीं एडमिशन करा रहे हैं इन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, तो अपने मतलब एरिया के दायरे में ही उसको एडमिशन कराइए. हैव अ नाइस डे.